Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic mensuration. In the previous video, we learned how to solve questions on cones developed from the sector of a circle. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: the diagram below shows a major sector of a circle with center O and radius 14 centimeters. If the sector is folded to form a cone, find, correct to two decimal places, I, the radius of the circular base of the cone, total surface area of the cone, and volume of the cone. So you have been given this sector here with a radius of 14 centimeters. And the major sector was folded into a cone. That means that the minor sector has been cut out of this cone. The angle for the minor sector was 70 degrees. The first part of the question says that we should find the radius of the circular base. In the previous video, we learned that if a sector is folded into a cone, then the slant height of the cone is the same as the radius of the sector. So here the slant height of this cone will be 14 centimeters, which was the radius of the sector. In the same way, the circumference of the circular base of this cone will be the same as the length of the major arc AB. We learned this from the previous video. So we can say that the length of the major arc AB, or the arc AB, is equal to circumference of the circular base of the cone. So we have to find the length of the arc AB. The arc AB is a major arc. In the video on circles, we learned that to find the length of a major arc, it is 360 degrees minus theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 pi r, where theta is the angle of the minor sector. The angle of the minor sector here is 70 degrees. So the length of this major arc will be 360 degrees minus 70 degrees divided by 360 degrees times 2 times pi times 14 centimeters. You find this on your calculator and you have 70.8 centimeters. This is the length of the arc AB, and it is also the circumference of the circular base of the cone, 70.86 centimeters. We know that the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So if the circumference of the circular base is 70.8 centimeters, we can say that 70.8 centimeters is equal to 2 pi r. To find r, we divide both sides by 2 pi, and r is equal to 11.28 centimeters. That means that the radius of the base circle of the cone is 11.8 centimeters. The next part of the question said that we should find the total surface area of the cone. Remember, cones formed from the sector of a circle are hollow cones, and the total surface area of a hollow cone is given by pi rl, where r is the base radius of the cone and l is the slant height of the cone. The base radius of the cone here is 11.28 centimeters and the slant height is 14 centimeters. So the total surface area is equal to pi times 11.28 centimeters times 14 centimeters. And this will give us 496.12 centimeters squared. So we can say that the total surface area of the cone is 496.12 centimeters squared. The next part of the question said we should find the volume of the cone. Remember, in order to find the volume of the cone, we will need the height of the cone. So we will first need to find the height of the cone. If we consider the points OBA, you will see that we will form the right angle triangle OBA here, with BA as 11.28 centimeters and OA as 14 centimeters. From the diagram, OB is the height of the cone, so we need to find OB. We are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. If we apply the Pythagoras theorem here, we will have OA squared is equal to OB squared plus BA squared. And this will give us 14 squared is equal to OB squared plus 11.28 squared. We simplify this and OB is equal to 8.29 centimeters. The question said we should leave our answers in 2 decimal places. So OB is equal to 8.29 centimeters. Therefore, the height of the cone is 8.29 centimeters. Now, we have the height of the cone as 8.29 centimeters. Volume of a cone is equal to 1 divided by 3 times pi r squared h. In this case, r is 11.28 centimeters and h is 8.29 centimeters. So the volume is equal to 1 divided by 3 times pi times 11.28 centimeters squared times 8.29 centimeters. And when you do this on your calculator and you simplify or you round your answer to, you give your answer in 2 decimal places, you have 1104.59 centimeters cube. So the volume of the cone is 1104.59 centimeters cube. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to consider another solid figure. The solid figure we'll be considering is a sphere and a hemisphere. Bye bye.